Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Stream Commerce. So today I'll be teaching labor cost. Part A, time rate system. Let us understand what is a time rate system. Time rate system is related to the number of hours of work done by a worker. The payment depends solely upon the time spent on work irrespective of the quantity of output. Thus, the workers are paid on the basis of time required to complete the work and not on the basis of units. Under time rate system, wages are calculated as labor hours into labor hour rate. Suitability of time rate system. Time rate system is suitable in the following cases. First, quantity is unimportant. It is suitable in cases where attendance and quality of work are more important than the output. For example, research, quality control, inspections, etc. Second, quantity is difficult to measure. Piece rate system requires setting accurate standards of output. In many cases, it is not possible to do so. For example, repairs and maintenance, time rate system is suitable in such cases. Third, output is beyond workers' control. If the output depends upon teamwork or on the speed of machines, etc., it is not fair to link wages with output. In such cases, the only fair and just system of remunerating the workers would be the time rate system. Now let us see merits of time rate system. First, it is simple. Time rate system has the merit of being simple to operate. Second, provides steady income. The workers is assured of steady and regular income under time rate system. Now let us see demerits of time rate system. However, the system suffers from the following demerits. First, fails to motivate. It treats both efficient and inefficient workers equally. It does not reward the efficient workers and hence fails to motivate the workers to produce more output. Since it is difficult to fix standard time for each job, labor incentive scheme cannot be properly established or implemented. Second, higher cost. Since even idle time has to be paid for, this system leads to higher labor cost. Third, losses. If the time required for completing a job cannot be accurately estimated in advance, the price quoted for the job may be unprofitable, leading to losses. Fourth, strict supervision. Strict supervision is necessary to ensure that workers spend their time in productive work throughout the day.